Here's a quick video to show you how to fix a low pressure faucet. All right, this is really simple to do. Depending on the make and model of your faucet, there'll be little differences, but they all have a screen and it all needs to be cleaned out. This one is from IKEA. I'm actually gonna take this off right here so you can even see it better. Just like that. And you're gonna see right here, there's a screen. And on the screen, there's a flat side on each side of it. What I'm gonna do is take a pair of needle nose pliers, go right on the flat side, squeeze and turn to the left. All right, now I want to carefully remove this. And this is a screen. There's going to be a washer on top. Set that aside. And here's the screen. Let me show it to you. You can see how it has all kinds of little gritty pieces on it, hard water buildup. All you need to do is rinse that off. Clean that screen out real good. Now that we got the screen all cleaned off, we're just going to put it back together, just like this. I'm going to take this washer here, this rubber washer, I'm going to set it inside of the faucet. That, and we're going to screw this thing back together. All right, now we're going to turn the water on. Our pressure's looking much better. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.